Okay, so this is our advanced export option. Inside that, we have server configuration if you want to send data to FTP server or SFTP server. So we put it some server for testing in our local system. So you have to put a name, whatever you want to edit, host name, port number, username, password, root directory, and a passive mode one for the FTP. And if everything is correct, when you click on test connection, it is showing the successful message. Same with SFTP server. You have to put host name, port, username, password, and remote path. And remember one thing that when you click on test connection, it is showing right. But if you put a wrong name, like there is no directory with this name, so it will give you error. So make sure that every credential are correct. Okay, so we already configured, and also we have a log option. So if any logs are created, then it is showing over there that name, model, file name, the file, who exported, created, and if goes to error, it is showing the error log. And then in the advanced export, you can create whatever you want. Like I want to create for the product template, and I will give PT. Hmm. And if you don't want to put filter, then just make it like that. And we will use SFTP server, and you have to select the server that you already configured, and you have to put the model name like and you can add which field you want to edit, like active name, display name, and also you can put okay, you have to save this one. And okay, it is refresh, so we have to create new record, and we will take for now invoice. And select account, move Excel, manual, and currently we are using SFTP, and we have to select the SFTP server. Okay, we are selecting the name, payment terms, customer, and also You have to save this one. This is the one to many field. So if you want to add a specific field, then you have to click on this one, and now you can add like account, product, unit price, unit of measure, currency, subtotal, and total, and save it. Now if you select manual, then it will export the. Okay, so we are selecting Excel and try to export manually. And okay, so if you refresh the page here, you can see this file is downloaded, and this is our data. It will also manage one to many field like this one. It will not create a new. And if you select CSV file, then save, and go back over here. Here you can see the CSV file. Also, it will contain date and times for better identification. And you open this one, it is showing the data, and now we can use the TSV file. So when you go to exported log, this is, and this is the TSV file. Now, if you don't want to make it manually, then you can do whatever you want. Like you want to select on a daily basis on the SFTP server. We already configure also added over here. Now here our cron is daily. So when it is run, okay, just a second. Okay, we are restart again, and we will run it. Okay, and we have, this is the SFTP server. So we already configure over here, and for better identification, we are changing the name, run manually. And if you want to check, here the TSV file was created, and also here the TSV file is created. And if we set it to weekly, it will create on weekly, and if you select monthly, then it will run monthly. Here you can check it the action. daily, monthly, and weekly. This is the month, this is for week, and we are selecting monthly and using the FTP server, and we are running monthly, but for now. If you want to check it, then here you can see it is signed in, and also we can check it in our server. Okay, okay, here our data, and this is the FTP data. Here you can see the TSV file over here that we recently create. Now we'll go to invoice and selecting the Excel file, and send one. Okay, we will change from monthly to weekly, and when we run it, this is Excel file was generated. And we will do one more thing, like we are going to invoicing and select the invoice, and we have to fetch only invoice, not the other records. Like if you want to check it, then here you can see invoice, reverse invoice, bill, and others. So we will have to fetch only. So how we can check it? Okay, so we are finding move type. Customer invoice is out invoice. So we have to go over here, and you can put filter over here. But yes, one more thing, remember the exit filter, but multiple times it will raise an error if you put the wrong filter. Like I put it this, then it will give me an error. If I did this and save it, it will allow me, but you have to put move type, and now you can save it. Okay, and I will run the weekly. So when I run weekly, it will create a new record, and here you can see filter was applied and only invoice are showing there. And also you can check logs from here. All logs are created.